Ready to transform your beauty routine with just one product? In the next 5 minutes, I'm revealing 10 Vaseline hacks that will have you glowing, shining, and feeling your best from head to toe. Let's get started. 1. The secret to softer, more hydrated lips. Chapped lips can be a nightmare, especially during harsh weather. Vaseline is a miracle worker when it comes to restoring moisture and softness. Start by exfoliating your lips with a DIY scrub made by mixing sugar and honey. Gently rub this mixture over your lips to remove any dead skin. Once your lips are prepped, apply a thick layer of Vaseline. This creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture, giving your lips a plump, healthy look. For added flair, you can turn Vaseline into a tinted balm. Mix it with a bit of beetroot powder or crushed eyeshadow to create a personalized color that hydrates while adding a pop of pigment. This simple trick eliminates the need for expensive lip treatments, and with consistent use, your lips will stay smooth and supple all year round. 2. Your best friend for removing makeup. If you've struggled with removing stubborn waterproof mascara or long-wear foundation, Vaseline is your ultimate solution. Unlike makeup removers filled with harsh chemicals, Vaseline is gentle and nourishing. Start by scooping a small amount and warming it between your fingers. Gently massage it onto your face. Focusing on areas with heavy makeup, you'll notice the makeup melting away effortlessly. After massaging, use a soft, damp cloth to wipe off the residue, and finish with your regular cleanser to leave your skin feeling clean and hydrated. This hack not only removes makeup effectively, but also leaves your skin moisturized. It's particularly great for sensitive skin, as it doesn't irritate or strip away natural oils. 3. Achieve radiant skin with a DIY highlighter. For those who love a glowing, dewy complexion, Vaseline works as an excellent highlighter. Forget expensive products. This hack gives you that natural radiance with minimal effort. After completing your makeup, dab a small amount of Vaseline onto your cheekbones, brow bones, and even the tip of your nose. Blend it with your fingertips for a seamless, glass-like sheen. 4. Stronger, healthier lashes and brows. Long, fluttery lashes and thick brows can transform your look, and Vaseline is the secret weapon to achieve them. Every night before bed, cleanse your lashes thoroughly to remove any makeup or dirt. Dip a clean mascara wand into Vaseline and coat your lashes evenly. Over time, this conditioning treatment will make your lashes appear shinier and healthier. For brows, Vaseline works wonders in taming and nourishing the hairs. Apply a small amount using a spoolie brush or cotton swab, shaping your brows as you go. It not only holds them in place but also keeps them hydrated and soft. With consistent use, your brows and lashes will look naturally fuller and more defined, making makeup application smoother and easier. 5. The ultimate remedy for dry and cracked heels. Cracked heels can be both painful and unsightly, but Vaseline has the power to transform them overnight. Begin by soaking your feet in warm water for 15–20 minutes. This softens the tough skin, making it easier to treat. Add a bit of Epsom salt or a gentle foot soak to enhance the experience. Once your feet are softened, use a pumice stone to remove dead skin and smooth out rough areas. After drying your feet completely, take a generous amount of Vaseline and massage it into your heels and any other dry areas. Cover your feet with clean, breathable cotton socks to allow the Vaseline to work its magic as you sleep. This method locks in moisture and helps repair damaged skin overnight, leaving you with soft, smooth feet by morning. 6. DIY overnight hand mask. Dry, rough hands can be a common problem, especially during colder months. Vaseline can be used to create an overnight hand mask that delivers intense hydration. Start by exfoliating your hands with a gentle scrub, then rinse and pat them dry. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline, focusing on the knuckles and any particularly rough spots. For the best results, wear cotton gloves to bed. The gloves create a barrier that helps the Vaseline penetrate deeper into your skin, ensuring maximum hydration. When you wake up, your hands will feel soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. This hack is especially useful for those who work with their hands often or suffer from dryness due to frequent washing. Make it a weekly ritual, and you'll never have to deal with cracked or uncomfortable hands again. 7. A natural remedy for dry cuticles. If your cuticles are dry and peeling, Vaseline can be your best friend. The rich, emollient texture hydrates and softens the skin around your nails, promoting healthier nail growth and preventing painful hangnails. Start by soaking your hands in warm water with a splash of olive oil for 5 minutes. This preps the skin and nails for better absorption. Dry your hands thoroughly and massage a small amount of Vaseline into each cuticle. Spend a few minutes working it in to stimulate blood flow, which helps your nails grow stronger over time. For an intensive treatment, apply Vaseline generously to your cuticles before bed and wear cotton gloves overnight. Over time, you'll notice smoother cuticles and healthier nails. 8. Create a DIY lip and cheek tint. Looking for a natural, radiant flush of color? Vaseline can be turned into a customized lip and cheek tint with ease. All you need is a small container, a dab of Vaseline, and some pigment. You can use crushed blush, powdered eyeshadow, or even natural colorants like beetroot powder. Mix the pigment with Vaseline until you achieve your desired shade. This DIY tint not only adds a beautiful wash of color, but also keeps your lips and cheeks hydrated throughout the day. Apply it with your fingertips or a brush for a soft, dewy finish. And that's it. 10 amazing ways to use Vaseline that will completely transform your beauty routine. Simple, effective, and right at your fingertips. Now it's your turn to try these hacks and let that glow speak for itself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Until next time, stay glowing.